Hey guys, welcome to another video. I have a cold again. So I'm fighting this little cold again in the middle of winter, and hopefully this is the very last time that I get another cold because it's so fucking annoying to do these videos and like have a cold and talk at the same time. It's just too much, you know, like it hurts my throat. I want the videos to be like as cool and natural as possible. So hopefully next time this won't be happening. Anyways, today I decided to do a heavy metal look, so I'm going to be using the Opulence Collection again. This is going to be part 10, or is it part 11? I don't know. It's going to be part something. No, yeah, it is part 11 because I filmed part 10 a couple days ago. So it's part 11, heavy metal. I'm going to be using metamorphosis, you know, for the metal shade. And I'm going to use dark matter and sterling, and that's it. I think I used that combination before, but we're going to use it a little bit different today. So we're going to go for like a powerful, very like dead smoky eye, and I'm going to use a little bit of the Mehron solution with the sterling, and maybe that will help us to get a little bit of a gloss going on top for the pictures. I am wearing a full face of makeup, so I have contour, highlight, blush, bronzer, everything, super brows, so we can make the smoky eye super big. And I've moisturized my lips, and yeah, let's get ready to roll. I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we'll get it started. Okay, so I'm just gonna start out with the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. I feel like everything is about to run out because I've been using all these products so much this year. But this eyeshadow base, again, like I said it multiple times in videos past, and I'm just gonna repeat it because if you don't know, I love this shadow base because it doesn't alter the color of the shadows. Sometimes, you know, when you're using shadows that are fun colored and you use a base or concealer, that color can like get a little bit diluted into the color of the concealer and pale it out. It makes it pasty. So when you use something like this, you just see the color that the shadow actually is against your skin, and it makes it a lot better, you know, than to pile on a lot of pigment that's already your skin tone. I can see why that would be good for in some instances, but in most instances, you know, like if you're dealing with teals or oranges, you kind of don't want to affect the color that much. Okay, so I'm just going to start out with bronze seduction. I'm actually using Celestial as a base. And I found my eyeshadow brush. You know, I think Bobbi Brown's discontinuing another unattractive brush. I don't remember what it is, but it looks unattractive just like this one, but it has an angle to it, and I was thinking of getting it just to use it and see if I can use it for something. Sometimes those weird ass brushes, like brushes that look weird, they can actually be really fun to use. So I'm going to start with dark matter, and we're just going to start working that right into the creases, and I'm just creating darkness so when I lay down the sterling it really pops. There you go. So we're going to do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, and to smoke this out a little bit more, I'm going to use a ponytail brush from Laura. I'm just going to start moving the dark shadow around just to create more drama. Right now we have it in a shape, so we're just going to diffuse that shape into a larger shape. Okay, now that we have it somewhat smoked, we're gonna go back with dark matter, and we're just gonna darken out the edges and the creases a little bit more. Blending it as I go. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use a small angled brush. Just going to try to work the shape a little bit. Okay, so far I like it a lot because it's very nice, very serious. But I'm gonna block out the edges because I'm gonna lay the silver in the middle, and I want the silver to really pop, so I gotta build the most darkness we can right now. Okay, now I'm gonna cut the crease a little bit, but very lightly, just in the middle. Okay, so now I'm going to start working on sterling, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use it with a little bit of Mehron solution. Pat Mcgrath was actually selling, the original metamorphosis with the Mehron solution when it first came out. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I put a little bit of lip balm in it, and I'm using a couple of rings to make the pictures a little bit more appealing. So I have them over here. It actually came out a lot better than I thought it was going to come out. With the Mehron solution, it allows me to use a lip balm and kind of destroy the look a little bit more for pictures, so I can get more texture out of it. And to be honest, I'm really surprised I was able to use black and just do all of this shading and contouring on the eye with only one color. That never happens. Like, I usually don't do that, and to use the darkest color available and be able to create these gradients is just insane. The silver really pops, mixing it with the Mehron liquid makes it super metallic, and with the lip balm it really helps to kind of give you more of that shine. And I feel very, very like goth right now, all black with black makeup. It brings me back to my teenage years and early 20s. And Disneyland. If you don't know, there's a lot of goth people that go to Disneyland. I don't know why, it's just a fun thing to do here in California. As I mentioned before, I put mascara, eyeliner. The lipstick is Christy by Pat Mcgrath as well. And as usual, I'll be putting some videos and photos so you can see the vision behind the look. I hope you guys like it. Leave me a comment if you have any questions about how to recreate this look. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell button so you know when there's a new video, and don't forget to like and share the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.